Hello everyone, you're welcome to this video. So for those that want to migrate abroad to settle, or you want to move abroad, for whatever reason you may have, right? Study is one of the easiest routes to make it abroad. Regardless of which country you want to go to, study is the easiest. So in this video, I want to show you schools you can apply to and get a scholarship. You school study for free. So this video is basically about how to study abroad for free. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the schools to apply and just all the details involved, the website, what is needed, if you need Ielts or not, just everything you need to apply to move on the study route and to do it without breaking the bank. So stick with me in this video where I'll be showing you everything. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that is going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video. This school has full-time and part-time programs. As an international student, you want to go for the full-time program. So let's see what they have. So they have the School of Advancement, where you explore your interests and build learning and study skills all before you enter college or university. Then they have the Business School. You build your business skills and become part of the next generation of entrepreneurs. They have the School of Communications, Media Art and Design. And they have the School of Community and Health Studies, School of Engineering, Technology and Applied Sciences, School of Hospitality, Tourism and Culinary Arts, and School of Transportation, part-time learning and all of that. Okay, so let's see what they have for full-time programs. So this is all the areas of study, right? This is all of it. So this is the list. It gives you the name of the program, the length, the credential, and the campus, right? So this school is in Ontario, in Toronto. It's right in the heart of Ontario, and they have 4 campuses. All right, so this is academic and career entrance certificate. Then they have addiction and mental health worker, advertising, the 1-year program, advertising media management, 1-year program. So you can look at them to see what you want to study, see how many years it's going to be and all of that, and the certificate as well, right? Okay, so this is a very long list. So I want to believe that there is something for everybody here. Baking skills, biotechnology, bookkeeping, business, accounting, business marketing, business supply chain and operations, and all of that. It's a lot of programs they have here, so you can go through it and see what is available. All right. So let's look at how to apply as an international student. So this is for international students and how to apply. This college is committed to figuring out the academic skills of all applicants before they apply in order to promote access and student success. We do this through global assessment practices, which level the playing field and let people from different age groups, educational backgrounds, and cultures have equal access to post-secondary education. However, applicants also have to prove they can complete their program of study, which is why we also measure them on whether or not they have the academic skill level needed to successfully undertake the full-time college course load in the desired discipline. If they don't, applicants will have a poor chance at success as early as the first semester of the program. So this, to apply to this college is free. Yeah, I need to mention that. It is free to apply to this college. No application fees at all. It is free. So these are the admission steps. Number one, you choose your program, choose 1 to 3 Sentinel College programs you want to apply to. So this is the link. And then step 2, you complete the online application. Complete your Sentinel College online application. There's a link here as well. And then step 3, email your application documents. So after you've submitted your application, you would now submit your supporting documents via email. So there are different email addresses to send your documents to depending on your location, right? So if you're in India, this is the email address where you're going to send it. South Asia, this is it. If you're in the Philippines, this is your email address for you. Then Southeast Asia, this is the email address. China and the Asia Pacific, this is the email address. So if you're not sure of where your region falls under, then you can click here to find your region, right? You click here and you know exactly where your region, your country falls under, right? Which region your country falls under. Okay, so for Caribbean, Latin America, and the USA, this is the email address. Brazil, Portugal, and Portuguese speaking Africa. United Kingdom, Western Europe, and French speaking Africa. English speaking Africa, this is your email address. Eastern Europe and the CIS, the Commonwealth of Independent States, this is your email address. And then the Middle East, this is your email address. So it's very important you take time out to find out exactly which region your country falls under, so you know where you're sending your supporting documents to. Don't make a mistake. You can click here to find your region. All right. Okay, so then after you've submitted all your supporting documents, then step 4 is to check your application status. Then you can contact the regional admissions team member here to check your application status. All right. So you need to include your student name or name and date of birth in your email address. Student number or name and date of birth in your email. Yeah. Then step 5, you receive an acceptance package or deposit letter. Number 6, you apply for a study permit or a visa, right? So apply for a study permit using your Sentinel College offer letter, fee receipt, and other documents required by Citizenship and Immigration Canada. And then step 7, you notify admissions of study permit approval. When you've gotten approval for your visa, your study visa, then you notify the admissions. And then step 8, you log into My Sentinel to access Head Start. That is your own online portal to this college. And then step 9, you complete your registration in person or online, right? So that is it. So when to apply? Apply early. Allow approximately 4 to 6 months before your accepted start date to allow sufficient time for admission and study permit and visa processing. So as at now, you can still apply for September intake, right? However, applications received closer to the start date will be considered if there is space available in the program, right? So right now, you can still apply for this September, right? So that is it for applications, all right? So let's see what they're going to say about English proficiency. All right, so in order to meet the language proficiency requirement, applicants can demonstrate English proficiency through previous education, recognized English grading, recognized English proficiency test and assessment. So if you've previously been taught in English, then that is a good way to prove your English proficiency. You won't be needing a test, right? So that is just what I wanted to point out here. So you can go on and see more information. This is the Centennial College. Centennial College. So you can go and see all the information you need, the program's admissions, financial aid. Oh, we've not looked at scholarships. This school does have financial aid and scholarships available to students. And okay, maybe we should look at some of them. Application scholarships and awards. So you can go through this page and see all the scholarships, financial aid, and everything that is available to international students. All right, so Centennial College, everybody. The link will be in the description, so you can go through this school and apply immediately. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video, all right? And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.